That's a lot better than how it has been. This can actually come in a little bit, so it's pretty square. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight is going to be a really short video. I'm pretty exhausted. We put up railing around my wife's business today, and it took it out of me. But today was nice. It's, I think, 70 degrees out, so hopefully get some more of them days coming along. But I think tonight I'm not in the right mindset to mess with anything like major. So I'm thinking is doing is I think I might Sharpie on the inside of the fender kick panel here, and anywhere that I might need some spot welds, and I'm gonna do just dot it with the Sharpie where I think I need spot welds, and then let y'all look and let me know if I'm like on the thinking right about it or not. But we'll do that tonight. I got one cat in here with me, and he's about to jump right on my camera. Anyways, this is Boyd. He sharpened his claws on my back. But anyways, hopefully he won't be too big of a hassle in here. But that's all I plan to do is trace where I think trace the inside of the kick panel where I know where to put spot welds at, and put dots on the kick panel where I think I need spot welds. Anything other than that, I think it will be doing good, but that's about as much as I want to do tonight. Like I said, I'm not in the right mindset, and this cat's cracking me up, living on me. But anyways, let me get him down, and then we'll head over there and I'll show you what I mean. Check my measurement. We still have 17, so I'm thinking that's pretty close. But I think today we're gonna screw the pan back in here and then back, and make sure we get that fender brace down so we know where it's gonna be. And then I think I'm gonna take a Sharpie and just go on the inside here and underneath by the tire to get that flange. And I think there's a bunch of spot welds that need to happen right here. And I think it's kind of like a grid pattern, but I'm not 100%. So I'm gonna make some dots. If y'all think it's right, let me know. And I thought my holes were lined up better than they are, but anyways, that's where that makes that end up at. So I'm thinking this is relatively straight, but it looks like it's kicked in that way a little bit. And this could be my eyes playing tricks on me. But yeah, I think main thing is get this pan back in, attach it to that brace, and this mark lines on the inside of the kick panel. That way we can drill out where this flange is on the kick panel, because I want to weld on the outside instead of trying to get on underneath. But we'll be welding on the outside of the kick panel all the way up through here, and a bunch right through here. So I think that's a pretty significant structural point. What I'm gonna do with this is this looks like it can come down. There's a bit of a lip up. Anyways, I think I hammer that back down over this a little bit better. But the only thing I don't know what to do is this gap here is a pretty good gap, and I mean, I think I could clamp it, but it's gonna shift this piece back that way. So I don't know if I need to do that or not. So if y'all have any suggestions on this, let me know. I am gonna watch more videos over it, because I don't want to mess this up. Anyways, we'll put you here on ladder and we'll get to work. We got our line marked all the way up, down, straight across the kick panel here. I forgot to put marks down there, but before I show you a lot of marks, put a line there, and it goes all the way under the floor pan, back under there. But this is about how I plan to do this on the tub. But let me know if that's too many spot welds in this area. I'm thinking it looks like it is, but I have to watch some videos and see how some other guys did it. But I tried to do like 8 across and then down a little bit in the middle between each two, and then, you know, back over. And it just kind of got lost through here because I don't know how far down you need to go. But I'm gonna watch some videos and see if you can't get it, make it better. I mean, I can always clean that off and start over. I also tried to put some washers under there, and it doesn't move, but I think it's what happening is that staying still. Sorry, that cat's playing with something. This is staying still this way, and when this lets tension off, this whole thing falls like that. So in essence, this dash is falling kind of forward a little bit. I really need to check my frame, make sure it's level. I may try to do that next video too. I think that's all I want to do tonight. Like I said, I'm exhausted. I'm sure you've seen a cat crawl up my leg and me about knock myself out on the cherry picker. It's fitting in there nice. We got our 17, and see if this is any remotely square. And that's a lot better than how it has been. This can actually come in a little bit, so it's pretty square. So I think we're in a good spot. Yeah, let me know if that's too many there and what I should do about this. Don't know if I should try to weld the piece in here or just clamp it as tight as I can get it and weld it. I think that will be all right there, and I'm gonna hammer this, fold this over a little bit more. So I think when I took this out, I kind of not intentionally or accidentally raised this lip right here. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, I'm tired, it's late. But yeah, did a lot of work today, so I don't want to tear into this with my mind not being in the right spot. So I think we got our need to mark spot weld points down there on the inner rocker where the kick panel meets it. But other than that, I think all my lines should be marked, so I can come in on the back side and drill out towards the kick panel. I may even put some self-tappers in there to draw it in. Might do that next time, but I want to make sure before I do that everything that we have here is correct. I need to make sure my frame's level. Might try to do that next time, I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. You made it this far. I know it's a super short video, and thank you to all my new subscribers. It does mean a lot. Usually videos aren't this short, and I have more energy. We do more stuff, but I need a couple days to recover from today. But thank you for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, usually on the Bronco, and I'll see you next time.